now we're gonna create the tool that is required when you want to run ads on a business page. And it's right there. You see it says pages, then below right there, it says add accounts. So I'm gonna click on add accounts. And this page, Michelle doesn't have yet an ad account. So what do? You create a new ad account. Let's say that this account already had an ad account, then you just add it. Or if you are working for a client, you're gonna request access to their ad account. So I'm gonna create one in that scenario, like this. So basically, you're gonna name the ad account, and I'm gonna call it Michelle ad account. So very creative, right? And then make sure that you put the right time zone, because it really matters, because when you schedule ads, you want the ads to be published in the time you really want. And then the currency. Here we are in Canada, so we're going to use Canadian dollar, which should not be too far from here. Here we go. Then you tap next here at the bottom corner of that white window. Next. So it will ask you, who will this ad account be used for? So this ad account will be used for my business. So I consider it my business because I won't be the one managing it, but it's going to be actually the author managed. So I'm going to pretend that I am him. My business, create. And from there, you have to make sure that you give yourself all the permission to interact with that ad account. And usually you just click here on the admin access here at the bottom, the last one. This actually controls all the other settings, you see. And then once this is clicked, this is gonna allow you to not only create your campaigns, you're gonna be able to manage them, view the performance, do whatever you want. So you're gonna assign, bam, right there. Then the thing that you're gonna have to do is to add payment info. You just follow the steps. So I won't do it here, but basically you choose, do you want to pay with PayPal or with Visa? And then it's gonna ask you just to, like a regular buying stuff on the internet, right? So that's how you do it. So once you're there, my friend, you basically have everything you need. You have a page, you have an ad account. If you have an Instagram account, you're gonna click on Instagram account here, right there. And then you're gonna be able to connect your Instagram account, right? So this one, I won't connect this one because I'm gonna change it actually, but this is where you need to go when you want to make sure that your business Instagram account is actually under the same roof as your all business Facebook manager. That really the place, the neuralgic center of where the ads happen. So once this is set up here, my friend, it's easy. You go to the platform where you actually create the ads. And I want to show you where this is. So basically, you see those that square with 9 dots. This is where you click. And then right there, you have a menu that will allow you to go to your ads manager right there, which is exactly where you're going to be creating your campaigns, your ad sets, and your ads.